Hello ladies and gentlemen, allow me to share with you 10 shocking reasons why many educated people are poor. Why are so many people poor even after having many degrees? In this video I'm going to be sharing with you 10 reasons why so many people who are educated are still very poor, and reason number 10 is the most important. So try and watch this video till the end if you're ready to change your mindset about education, which is leading to wealth. I want to hear from you. Declare this in the comments right now. I will never be poor in my life. Go ahead and comment, I will never be poor in my life, if you're committed to achieving wealth and independence. When I see your comment, I will give you a heart. I want you to get your mind ready to receive this life transformative information, because it doesn't end by your declare, but you must believe it and start working on yourself for it to happen. I want you to know that you are the billionaire mindset media makers, and my prayer for you is that you will surely achieve great wealth and true success in the world. So thank you for your comment and subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate you. If you are new here and you want to support us, please leave a like and subscribe. It takes less than a second and helps the channel a lot. May God richly bless you for doing that. Now let's get back to the important and necessary information about this video. The number one reason why many educated people are poor is the absence of financial education in schools. Many educated people are poor because financial education isn't prioritized in schools. Now I want you to take a moment to think about that. When we talk about education, the immediate association is with schools, where we assume that children are taught everything they need to know about life. However, the reality is quite the opposite. Consider this: you could be a highly skilled medical doctor, well versed in the intricacies of medicine, or a seasoned lawyer with comprehensive knowledge of the legal profession, yet neither of these professions guarantees financial literacy. Even if you're an accountant adept at handling millions of dollars, it doesn't necessarily translate to understanding how money works. The unfortunate truth is that most professionals lack basic financial knowledge because formal education systems are not designed to provide comprehensive education about money. No matter how many years you spend in school or how many degrees you acquire, you may still be financially illiterate. As a result, that many individuals find themselves struggling financially despite possessing multiple degrees. So what's the solution? The key lies in seeking financial education through alternative means. This could involve reading insightful books, listening to audio training on money management, or watching educational videos on reputable platforms like YouTube. By constantly watching financial videos on our YouTube channel Billionaire Mindset Media, you can pave your way to financial freedom. We offer expertly curated content covering a wide range of topics, including money management, side hustles, investing, passive income streams, problem solving, and much more. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your financial literacy, we're here to provide guidance and support on your path to a brighter and more prosperous future. So subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. By doing this, you'll ensure you never miss out on the life transformative information we share on this channel every week. Reason number 2 is the deception of formal education. Most educated people are poor because they become uneducated immediately after college. I will explain further, but first let me ask you a question. What exactly do you think education is for so many people in the world? So many people think education is that degree they went and get at Harvard, while for others education is their certificate and degrees. But the sincere truth is education isn't what you get in the classroom. Education is what you get every day of your life. A truly educated man is that man who learns every day. True education is a lifelong journey of learning and growth. It's like sustenance for the mind is essential as food and water. Just as we need oxygen, nourishment, and hydration daily, we should actively seek knowledge and learning every single day of our lives. Now, this is not the case for so many people, because immediately after their first degree, they don't learn anything meaningful anymore, as they believe they are already educated. Because these people don't take time to learn new things, they are not likely to come across knowledge necessary for them to create wealth. What's the way out? Instead of viewing it as a one-time achievement, we need to see it as a continual process, like drinking water to sustain our bodies. Just as we wouldn't go a day without hydrating ourselves, We shouldn't go a day without seeking to expand our minds and acquire new knowledge by embracing education as a lifelong commitment and actively pursuing learning opportunities. We can equip ourselves with the skills and insights needed to live in today's ever-changing world. Education isn't just about what you learn in school, it's about the lessons you achieve from everyday experiences, interactions, and discoveries. Reason number 3 is the trap of job dependency. Many educated people are poor because the more time you spend in school, the more likely you are to develop a deep-seated longing for a job. Let's be honest, schools are structured to groom employees, so the longer you're immersed in that educational environment, the stronger your desire for traditional employment becomes. However, the reality is that a job rarely provides the leverage needed to create substantial wealth or achieve financial independence. The more you yearn for a job, the less likely you are to miss wealth. It's simple math. Working a job means relying solely on your own efforts with limited capacity for exponential growth. Truly wealthy individuals are those who can leverage on the efforts of many. They work smarter, not harder, by collaborating with multiple minds and utilizing various resources. Unfortunately, traditional jobs do not offer this level of leverage. You're confined to working with your own brain and to hands, which severely limits your potential for wealth creation, since you can't physically work with 100 hands or utilize 50 brains in a job. You lack the leverage that entrepreneurs possess. So what's the solution? Not everyone can become an entrepreneur, but everyone can attain financial education and master the art of investing by learning about money management and investment strategies. Even employees can achieve financial independence by investing wisely. Individuals can generate passive income streams that provide financial security and freedom, regardless of their employment status. In essence, the key is to break free from the mindset of job longing and embrace the power of financial education and investment. This path offers a viable route to financial independence and wealth accumulation for all. Individuals regard less of their career path. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far and want more topics like this, comment the word more on the comment below. Just go ahead and type the word more so I know. Thank you for that. Let's continue. Reason number 4, miss the arrogance of formal education. Many educated people are poor because their education makes them arrogant. These individuals often believe that their degrees make them superior to those who dropped out of college or didn't finish high school. This arrogance can prevent them from being humble enough to listen and learn from others. What many don't realize is that young people, regardless of their formal education level, often have a better understanding of where the world is headed. Younger generations are deeply immersed in modern technologies and trends, and some of them are remarkably knowledgeable about areas that older generations might not fully grasp. Take the internet, for example. Many people over the age of 50 struggle to understand how the internet works or how to leverage it to create wealth. In contrast, the average 17-year-old is likely very familiar with the internet's workings and how to use it to generate income. Many young people are building significant wealth from their homes by creating quality content on platforms like YouTube, getting monetized and earning money through various online ventures. This generation is using tools like social media, e-commerce, and digital marketing to build businesses and create new streams of income. They understand the power of the internet and are using it to their advantage, while those who rely solely on their formal education might miss out on these opportunities. Therefore, it's crucial not to be unnecessarily arrogant because of your degrees. Many young people who never went to college are amassing incredible wealth through modern technologies and the internet. Being humble and open to learning from the next generation can open up new possibilities and pathways to success that traditional education alone might not provide. Reason number 5 is the excessive spending on liabilities. Many educated people are poor because many highly paid individuals spend heavily on liabilities. You see it everywhere. Someone earning $70,000 a year thinks they're wealthy. They buy the most expensive smartphone, the latest cars, the biggest TV, high-end clothes, luxury shoes, watches, lavish vacations, and spending extravagantly. Here's the reality: the amount of money you earn doesn't matter as much as the amount you invest in your future. High income does not equate to financial security if it's not managed wisely. Many people fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation where their expenses rise in tandem with their income. Leaving little room for savings or investments is the key to building lasting wealth. Lies in your financial habits instead of spending money on things that depreciate or ADD. No real value to your financial future. Focus on investing in assets that grow over time. This could include investments in stocks, real estate, or even starting a business. Developing a mindset geared towards financial growth and sustainability is crucial. So here's the kicker. Quit the excessive spending and prioritize investing in your future. Start by budgeting wisely and making deliberate financial choices. Educate yourself about money management, savings, and investments. By doing so, you'll be amazed at the transformation in your financial status over the years, and you can become extremely rich. But it requires smart financial decisions and the elimination of liabilities that drain your resources. If you've been enjoying the content so far, please click the like button. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and help us reach 1,000 subscribers. We're on our way there. Can I count on your help? If you already subscribed, comment, "I subscribed." Just go ahead and comment, "I subscribed." Thank you for doing that. Now let's continue. Reason number 6 is job insecurity. Many educated people could be poor because they lose their jobs. In today's economy, it doesn't matter how much education you have or how many degrees you hold. Anything can happen and you might lose your job. While it's true that business owners also face the risk of losing in their businesses, the comparison between losing a job and losing a business highlights a crucial difference. An employee's job depends on the decisions of others, such as employers or corporate boards. This lack of control means that even highly educated workers are vulnerable to layoffs, company downsizing, or organizational restructuring. On the other hand, entrepreneurs have more control over their fate, although they can also face unexpected disasters or economic downturns that threaten their businesses. Entrepreneurs usually have the advantage of having built their ventures from scratch. This experience often equips them with the skills and resilience needed to start over if necessary. In contrast, an employee who loses their job has to re-enter the job market and search for new employment, which can be challenging and uncertain. This process can be especially daunting if they are unable to find a position that matches their previous salary or aligns with their career aspirations, resulting in financial instability despite their educational background. So while both employees and entrepreneurs face risks, the nature of these risks differs significantly. The job insecurity faced by highly educated employees can be a major factor contributing to financial struggles, even for those with impressive academic credentials. Reason number 7 is the burden of college debt. Many educated people may find themselves poor because of the overwhelming burden of college debt. As of 2024, the average student loan borrower in the United States graduates with approximately $39,351 in debt. This figure is just an average. Some students leave college with debts exceeding $200,000 or more. Astonishingly, as of recent reports, around 100 individuals in the U.S. owe a staggering $1 million in student loans. Back in 2010, it typically took an average college graduate about 7 years to break even with their student loans. Today, that time frame has extended to a full decade. This increase is due to a combination of rising tuition costs, interest rates, and the longer repay periods many graduates face. Moreover, the impact of such significant debt can be life-altering. It affects everything from the ability to purchase a home, start a family, or even invest in one's future through further education or retirement savings. This financial strain is a critical reason why highly educated individuals might struggle with poverty throughout their lives. The weight of college debt is not just a personal issue but a societal one, influencing economic stability and social mobility. Understanding the depth of this crisis is essential to addressing the broader economic challenges faced by many educated individuals today. Now you see why highly educated guys could have enough debt to pay for all their lives. Reason number 8 is the lack of teamwork skills. Many educated people could be poor because spending too much time in the classroom often means they end up doing everything alone. Here's what I mean. People who build substantial wealth often know how to collaborate. They build teamwork well with others and combine different skills to reach a goal. However, school teaches the opposite. In school, you do assignments alone, take tests alone, and work independently, but in the real world, success often requires teamwork. You need to bring people together, motivate them, and work towards a common goal. So the more time you spend in school following these independent practices, the harder it can be to adjust to the collaborative nature needed in the workplace. This can be a big reason why many educated people struggle with money despite their academic achievements. Reason number 9 is the tax burden on educated individuals. Many educated people could be poor because tax systems are often structured against them. In August 2011, Warren Buffett wrote an opinion piece in the New York Times where he mentioned that his 2010 federal tax rate was just 17.4%, while the average rate paid by his 20 office workers was 36%. How is it that the rich can pay less tax than the poor? The answer lies in how tax laws are designed. Tax laws around the world are typically made for employees. The more money highly educated people make, the more they are taxed. This means that as educated individuals climb the income ladder, they face higher tax rates compared to those who may earn money through investments or other means that are taxed at lower rates. For example, many wealthy individuals benefit from lower tax rates on capital gains, dividends, and other investment income, while salaried employees, including those with high levels of education, are taxed at higher rates on their income. This disparity means that even though educated people might earn a substantial salary, a significant portion of their income is taken away through taxes, making it harder for them to accumulate wealth. So despite earning more, highly educated individuals might feel financially strained due to the higher taxes they pay. This can be a significant reason why many educated people struggle with their finances. Reason number 10 is lack of financial planning. Many educated people find themselves in financial hardship due to a lack of emphasis on financial planning. Despite their academic accomplishments, they often overlook the critical aspect of managing their finances strategically. Financial planning involves setting clear financial goals, creating budgets, managing debts, and investing wisely for the future. Listen, without a solid financial plan, individuals may find themselves living paycheck to paycheck, unable to build savings or investments that can secure their financial future. They may also fall prey to impulse spending, debt accumulation, or unforeseen financial crisis that could have been mitigated with proper planning. Moreover, without a clear roadmap for their financial journey, educated individuals may miss out on opportunities for wealth accumulation and fail to make informed decisions about their money. The lack of foresight can lead to long-term financial struggles despite their educational achievements, and to overcome this challenge, it's essential for educated individuals to prioritize financial planning as a fundamental aspect of their overall well-being. By developing a comprehensive financial plan and sticking to it, they can better navigate the complexities of personal finance, build wealth over time, and achieve their financial goals. If you watched this whole video and enjoyed it, drop a comment like this: "I watched till the end." Just comment that "I watched till the end." When I see your comment, I will give you a heart to continue your journey to success. There are 3 more important steps you need to take in order to achieve financial freedom in life. First, like this video. Second, subscribe. And thirdly, turn on the notification bell, because we'll help you discover secrets of success from the world's best books and great people. Our expertly curated content covers a wide range of topics, including money management, side hustles, investing, passive income streams, problem solving, secret of success, and much more. And this channel will help you on your journey to wealth. If you subscribe, I will continue to bring you life transformative information every week for free. Don't miss out on future videos where we'll be dishing out even more golden nuggets of knowledge. All I'm asking for is your subscription. Thank you for that. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, it's because you understand the importance of improving your financial situation. Tell us in the comments how this video has impacted you and where you are watching us from. We'd love to hear your story. Thank you for tuning in. You are the Billionaire Mindset Media Makers. Be sure to watch our other videos displayed on your screen now. We love you.